So your task is to use time adverbial. I just want to talk to you about the 3 different types of time adverbials that we have. We have time adverbials that tell me when, we have time adverbials that tell me how long and how often. So here we could see when, yesterday, later, next, then. When is this thing happening? When is the action taking place? How long is the action taking place for? So maybe something is happening all day. Maybe something is happening since I was born. Maybe something is happening for 7 hours straight. And finally, how often does this happen? The frequency of the action. Remember, time adverbials, adverbs are always relating to the verb, to the action. Always relates to action. Very important. So how often does this happen? Does it happen regularly? Does it happen often or rarely? You can see which ones we can use in today's task. So let me start off. What was the first thing that happened in this extract? Well, first, the traveler is looking at the dawn. Does he do it just the one time, one off? No. We know that he does this every morning. So I think my how often time adverbial will be perfectly. I could say as per usual. Isa, which is his name. I could say the guy, that we know that he's a guy. You can choose the old man, the ancient man, the wise old man. You can choose how to describe him. Think about it. I'm going to use his name as the start. As per usual, Isa was gazing rather than looking. I'm going to use my power word. Was gazing at the sunset. And what I could do here, I could actually add a relative clause. Isa was gazing at the sunset, which, and I want to discuss the colors. Usually sunsets are blue and grey. No, they're usually orange and yellow and fiery kind of colors. As per usual, Isa was gazing at the sunset, which glowed like a fire. Oh, I think it might have been a sunrise. Oh, never mind. We'll just correct that. Live recording, everyone. Everybody makes mistakes at the sunrise. Okay, next, what happens next? He notices something unusual. It's a little bit blurry, the sun. So he suspects there might have been a storm of some sort. And then he finds something. Do you remember what he finds? He finds a piece of ribbon, which is very unusual, made by a different type of people. So I think I want to say, how long does it, I'll talk about when. I could say later that morning. Isa. Oh, I used Isa already, so actually I'm gonna do something else. Later that morning. Well, how can we describe? We could say ribbon, we could say piece of fabric, an unusual. Okay, so here we could see the finished sentence. Later that morning, the wise old man noticed an unusual ribbon that was embroidered in a variety of wonderful color. So I've got relative clauses and my time adverbials. Now I would have to think about the rest of my story and see how I can put that into my sentences. So I've done